My associate Francesco and I grew up together, and we have always dreamed of creating something which in its own small way could help simplify people's everyday lives. Our favorite pastime as children was inventing and constructing new ideas. But unfortunately, without investments, we couldn't bring our ideas to life. So with the savings we were able to put together, we invented Merry Autumn and Slim Wallet. But to keep it going, we need your help. It all started one day by looking at my own wallet and realizing that apart from it being old and ugly, that it was awkward and uncomfortable to have in your back pocket. Slim Wallet is small, compact, and it only takes up a third of the space of a normal sized wallet. Slim Wallet can be easily carried in your front pocket, so no more sitting on your wallet damaging your credit cards and no more pickpocketing. This product is 100% Italian, made with Italian hands and high quality Italian materials. Slim Wallet is produced by well-known historical Florentine craftsman who has fallen in love with the project. We carefully monitor each phase of production very closely. Everyone needs a wallet able to contain banknotes, loose change and cards. Old-fashioned wallets contain all these things, but they are bulky. They are wallets as big as ours, but none of them are able to contain all three. Our wallet is the only compact wallet able to contain banknotes, loose change, and cards. It's perfect for guys who need something practical, which they can keep in their front pocket. It's perfect for those who, like us, often move by car.
I was immediately intrigued and engaged by the philosophy of the Merry Autumn project and how it represented the perfect harmony between style and functionality. For this, I left a secure job and jumped into this adventure with my eyes closed. The only obstacle to our dreams is the economical factor. We're not being able to promote the brand in the best way. We're having to use what little we have.
Help us make our dreams reality.
Hi! So, you want to slim down, but you want enough space for your cards. You want a bifold. Slim, right? Not at all. Introducing Slim 2, the classic bifold redesigned to its core. It'll take everything you need and more. It fits every type of bill. There's space for business cards, a pen, more cards, coins, and a SIM or SD. Made from remarkably supple Italian leather, it ages beautifully and has contactless RFID protection. What more could you ask for in a wallet? Slim down and stay secure with Slim.
Hi, I'm Camilo and I want to tell you my story. Less than 2 years ago, I decided to buy a Slim wallet because I was tired of my big and bulky wallet, which caused me back pain, made my pocket super uncomfortable. What I found was that all the Slim wallets in the market had huge flaws, such as painful access to cards and especially cash. Others were somehow functional, but used cheap materials like elastic bands, Tyvek, or cheap leather. Since I couldn't find the wallet I was looking for, and because my brother and I have always had passion for quality goods, we decided to join forces to create the best wallet on the market.
A super functional and slim wallet made out of top quality calfskin.
Introducing Frenchie, world's first speed wallet. We call it a speed wallet because all you do with it is super fast.
To take a bill out, simply open the slab, choose the one you want, and pull it out. It's really that simple. To put it back in, simply slide it in. To To get your foremost used cards, simply pull these two tabs. The rest of the cards can be easily accessed by opening the wallet and pulling them out.
We made it RFID blocking on just one side so you can keep your information secure but still be able to use an access card when needed. We also made it one of the smallest and slimmest around so you can keep it in your front pocket and barely notice it's there.
After that, we realized that our pockets still had to carry bulky keychains. The problem with normal keychains is that your keys point everywhere, poking your jeans and scratching other stuff in your pockets. We thought there had to be a better way to carry keys, and that's why we designed the Frenchy key. It features a flat design because that's by far the best shape to fit every pocket. It's so slim that you won't even feel it's there. It also holds up to 4 cards, so you can use it as a card holder.
All our products are handmade of top quality calfskin, the same material most luxury brands use because of its smoothness and resistance. So, if you're the kind of person who wants to be more productive and also cares about style, come and join the Frenchy family.
The place where style meets function.